Hi guys, welcome to the channel, The Introverted Beauty. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So guys, for today's video, I did review some of the Bambi X Colourpop, or the other way around, Colourpop X Bambi Collection. I did pick up the whole entire collection. This is not even everything. I got that stuff. We have some glosses over here, palettes, I don't know, lashes. We just got the whole entire collection. And I did use that to achieve this look today. And this is what the eyes are looking like, which was the main focus. And I did use the flower palette for this look. Okay. So yes, guys, I did want to say, if you are not subscribed, please, please, please make sure you do so, as I would really like for you to become a part of this beautiful family of mine. And so, yes, enough rambling. Let's just get on into the video. Okay, guys, so we're going to jump right on in. So this isn't a long video. And hold on one second. Ugh, I'm too high. Okay, there we are. This is the entire Bambi collection, Colourpop X Bambi Collection. I think I got the whole collection. I'm not even sure, but I think so. All right, so we do have the Bambi palette. We have Flower and Thumper. We have the Creme Gel Trio. It's the Pixie Puff highlighter. And the packaging is so freaking adorable. It's so cute. And then lastly, we do have the Luxe Gloss Trio and some falsies, which we all know I probably will not get any use from these, but they are super cute. Okay, so we're going to jump right on in. I do have my base because I wanted this video to be about nothing but the collection. I'm going to prime my lids with my favorite, the P. Louise base. All right, so where's the palette? I am going to go in with the shade Little Stinker, which is, oh my gosh, it's so adorable. Actually, no, I'm going to go in with the lighter shades first today. So I'm going to go in with Pretty Flower, which is the second shade there. I don't have much Colourpop stuff, so I don't really know, much about their formula or what to, it's a lot, or what to expect. So we'll see. First, I use Pretty Flower. Now I'm going to deepen that up with Little Stinker, which is the darkest purple in the palette. And I'm just going to place that in my crease as well. And then just... the color is beautiful. Next, I am going to grab another brush. Okay. And I'm going to pack in Hibernating, which is a black with purple sparkle. And I'm going to pack that into my outer corner. Okay. I think I may have went a little overboard with the black, but it's okay. I'm not going anywhere but to sleep when this is over. All right, so I'm going to blend that in, the black shade Hibernating. Get it together, Courtney. But I'm going to blend it in with my crease. This is what we got so far. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is just take my finger and I'm going to go in with the shade Oh Gosh, which is right here. Okay. And I'm going to put that into my inner lid, the center of it. And it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. All right, so we have Oh Gosh laid down. And then lastly, I am going to go in with this shade here, So Shy. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Alright guys, so I'm back and I have my mascara on, and this is my eye look so far. It's so cute. What do you guys think? All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same brush, the flat brush that I used to do like to pat on some more of the shimmer. I'm just going to use this brush to do my lower lash line, and I'm going to go in with Little Stinker, which is the darkest purple. All right. Next, I am going to use the, oh my gosh, where's this hair coming from? I don't know if the liners have names, but I'm going to use like the purplish shade. I don't know if it made a difference. All right, so I already have gloss on my lips. I'm going to wipe this off so that I can try the Luxe Gloss that came in the collection. All right. And of course, since I'm going for the purple look, I am going to be using this purple shade here. And this is Flower. Oh, you know what? I never paid attention to the bottom. So the brown is for Bambi and the pinkish one is for the Thumper palette. And then, of course, the purple. This smells so good. This smells like Fruity Pebbles cereal. So I'm going to use this two ways. I'm going to like maybe try to highlight my shoulders. I'm just going to put a little bit and just pat it on. Give myself some sparkle. You guys see it? Probably not. But I can see it, and it is really gorgeous. It's just sparkles, nothing crazy. So I'm going to just take a brush, and I'm going to go over my highlight that I already have down with it. All right. And I'm going to blend that out with my blush brush. And yes, guys, this is the final look. What do you think? What do you think? I like it. But yes, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have yet to subscribe, please make sure you smash that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. And until the next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.